What is good, people? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Big Dre. So if you're not familiar with my channel is all about metaverse, NFTs, crypto, anything to help you make some money online. So if you like any of those things, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Doesn't matter what it is, leave anything you want in that comment section down below. So now today's video is going to be about Boss Token. I'm going to give you a little update. We're going to talk about some few things that's happened on their Twitter page, and then we're going to get into the boss track. So before I go any further, guys, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip parts out, as all the information that you need is going to be crucial. It's going to be crucial, so you got to watch the whole thing. Don't skip anything out. And remember, this is not financial advice. Nothing I tell you is financial advice. Just me documenting my journey. If you're not familiar with Boss Token, it's literally a meme coin that was created by a YouTuber. So anyone can make a meme coin. You can go on Fiverr and make one right now, literally. So anyone can literally make a meme coin. But the only difference is there's a reason for you to use it. So the use case for that is something called Boss Track. So now Boss Track, for those of you who use DeFi means decentralized finance. It's crypto that's not available on centralized exchanges such as Coinbase. That's literally all that it means, in case you're wondering. Boss Token, when it first launched, done very well, and if you would have invested when I first told you, you'd have made at least 200%, at least 200% gain. If you would have invested, if I made a few videos, you made about 120%. So regardless, you still would have been taking home a bit of, a bit of cheddar. But look, guys, that was all great. The community was doing well. Everyone was very interactive. Those NFTs, or correction, there weren't NFTs, there was artwork all over the Twitter page, but it just went quiet. Everything just went dead. So everyone in my comment section was saying it's a scam, we've all been scammed, blah 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 blah. However, Mr. 018 will still be making videos, still talking about other projects, still talking about crypto, but he would avoid every single question pertaining to Boss Token and Boss Track. On the Telegram, people get banned if they ask any questions in relation to the project and its progress. And even I went into his live and I asked him a question about it, and he just kept silent. So I'm sure he's seen my videos, because I did say to him, look, I think your videos are great, but you have zero communication. To which point he just read it out and laughed. Anyway, guys, there's something that they put on their Twitter. So they said the beta, or the beta bit, whatever you want to call it, for Boss Track was being released on the 20th of September. But now they've actually put it up on the actual website. You can actually look at it for yourself. So literally what Boss Track is supposed to do, as I said, is allow you to track all your DeFi projects in one place. At the moment, you have to open all your wallets individually to check them. What Boss Track is supposed to do is allow you to track your whole portfolio all in one place, which is an amazing use case if you think about it. So now, Mr. 018 is a supposedly docs team, even though he's not giving us his real name, so I don't see how that's a docs team. However, there is a Web3 Expo in which Mr. 018 has given a name. It says Fraser. I don't know if that's his real name, but he's put his name as Fraser, and underneath it says Boss Track Founder. This expo is going to take place on the 9th of October at 5 p.m. So I'm definitely going to tune in. I think it's going to be very interesting to see what happens, what he talks about, and see if it maybe even helps the price of Boss Token raise a little bit. I've been telling you guys from the beginning, don't sell your Boss Tokens. I think you should just hold on to it. Of course, nothing I tell you is financial advice. So if you want to sell them, do whatever you want. But personally for me, I'm not selling my Boss Tokens. I'm going to keep them. Remember, it is deflationary. So every single time someone uses Boss Token, whether it's a buy or a sell, you get tokens. A percentage of that sale or that transaction is returned to the holders. So there's a lot of incentive to keep it. So if one day Boss Token does become something big, if they do a Terra Luna and do a massive burn, every single one of us that hold that coin we're gonna be laughing all the way to the bank. So now, guys, I'm gonna put up a few things on the screen for you to look at. You know, there are alternatives to Boss Token. Boss Token is not the only one that exists. You know, you have many other projects which I will put in the description if you want to look for yourself. There's an article here on medium.com which you can read some of the information there. So in case you don't want to look for yourself, you can do so. As you know, I will always give you information for you to check it out for yourself. But so, guys, I don't quite trust Mr. 018 just yet because of everything that's gone on surrounding the project. Him banning people, going quiet about the project, but he starts talking about body transformations. I don't know, I just think it's all weird. So for me, I'm not gonna connect my wallet, because next minute I connect my wallet and everything gets drained, sucked out. Nah, not me, bro. I'm gonna wait for this expo. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's discussed. It might actually be some interesting information to find out. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. It's been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. My next video, I will be talking about this, which is the Bobcat Miner 300 to mine the Helium HNT project. They call themselves the People's Project, and I think Helium HNT, aka Helium, will be a big project. And so yes, I've got a miner which I'll be making a video about very shortly as well. But anyway, guys, it's in the sauce. Just buy the dip.